This call is now
Okay.
being recorded.
Okay, so good morning, everyone. So now we are going to start the presentation for group number 15. Welcome all group members and Rahul sir, you're most welcome. Rishabh, please start the presentation.
Yes, sir. Sir, firstly, I want to introduce myself. My name is Rishagar, a fourth year CSC student from GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management. We in the group of two, I and Amangar, are making the project which is based on the online ID. And today we are presenting the present. Today we are making the PPT and presenting it to you. So I am presenting my screen. 1 minute. Yes, and this is the PPT. So my project name is the code box. It is the online ID, means online integrated development environment. It inputs the it will run and compile the program and gives the output. It is a simple ID, but they do the various things. So here the my PPT starts. So firstly, what I I want to tell what is the online integrated development ID. It is also known as web ID. It is a browser-based integrated development ID. Means it will run on the browser, and this ID can only be accessed by the browser such as Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, enabling software development on low-powered devices that are normally un, unsuitable. And this is almost on free and anyone can use it. So what is the objective on the online ID? There are many IDs that we have today, but what is the new thing in our ID? How it is different? It is different because we are using the socket IO, and it does the very fast compilation. We are aiming to build an online ID which can improve the following cases, like fast compilation. It has very good themes. It has more than 10 to 15 themes, and it is the responsive ID. The meaning of responsive is that we can access it through the laptop, tablet, mobile. It will came on every screen. Now what we have the requirement, it has two, mainly it has the software requirement. In the software, we have done the front end with the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and in the backend I use the Node.js, and for the connecting backend with Node. With Yes, so I will start this PPT from beginning. So this is the hardware and software requirement what we needed. So the front end, in the front end we need the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. In the back end we use the Node.js. It is the JavaScript framework. For connecting the both front end and back end, we use the esocket.io, which increases the speed very much. For the hardware, we need only the good computer. So firstly, I want to tell about something about my ID. This ID supports more than 10 themes, predefined syntax of code in all language using which is used and using JavaScript, and has real-time compilation using Ajax, jQuery, Socket.io, file handling, and many other library in JavaScript. In this, the Socket.io is very important. Now what will be the Ajax system and related studies? So this all these studies are going on many IDs, like the ID that is of the Geeks is also trying to do this. So we do the prior research on every ID that is present now, and the user of so use of socket IO in this project make the comparison time very fast, that I told you. But here is the note also, we are contributing to an active research which is getting modified every second by some or other person. So the accessing system may follow the same, means there are many people who are working on this project. So we are also doing, but it may be same or it may not be different. So how it is, so what is the working of our project? As I told, it is divided into two parts, backend and front end. In the front end, it is connected with the sockets, like we have 4 to 5 client or maybe internet client So all the sockets are connect, all the client will be connected through socket, and the all transfer data will come through socket. And from front end to back end it is connected, and in the back end we use the third party API of the HackerEarth. So in the third party API we are using the two functions of the e two functions of the HackerEarth API, compile function and run function. We hit the API of the HackerEarth with the input, and it gives at our junction and gives the output. So we take the output from there and send to front end. So I want to give the detailed explanation. It is working is like, as user open the site, a new socket is formed every time, which connects the back front end to the back end, and the user writes the code in the editor. The editor is also known as the ACE editor. After writing the whole code, a user click on the compile and run button. jQuery takes the code and language, and through the socket emit function, it is the main function. Emit function transfer the code to the backend. Then after the backend there will be two functions, compile and second will be the run. Both functions using the third party API, just as I told, and from there it picks the code and send to front end. It is whole about.
By using which type of language any user can write their program in your ID?
Means,
Means for which language you provide the options to write a program?
yes sir, C++, C, Java, Python. Till now it is in the four language you can write the code, but I can increase later on. till now till now what we think, it is in the three language, it is in the four language.
For the compilation process, you make your own compiler, or you are just using some API inbuilt code?
Sir, I am using the API for the compiler.
Which API?
Sir, HackerEarth API of HackerEarth.
Acha. For all these languages, like C,
Yes sir, yes sir,
for compilation purpose.
yes. Because sir, compile the means the main difficulty is that, like, there are four to five clients, and one is giving input and we have to give the output. But when we are handling many clients, then the ID will confuse that which client means which output have to send to the which client. So we are specifying with the socket that this client has the this input and we have to send a particular output.
Okay. Okay, continue.
Okay sir. So this is the what is our motivation of about making the project. Firstly, it is all about the curiosity, because I am the competitive programmer and I have done too much competitive programming, but I don't find any good online ID. So I try to make it, and competitive programming is increasing day by day. So we have to make a good ID, and the main thing in this ID that I am trying to make it, but till now it is not possible. But I am trying that 4 to 5 member can code in the same box. Means like in the Google World, we can 4 to 5 member can join together and they can write in the same text. So like, so in this I am also trying when there is a team competition, so we don't have any idea in that 2 to 3 person can write the code at the same time in a same editor. So it will give that also, because socket.io also facilitates the multi programming that is possible in that case.
Will you show this functionality at your final presentation?
Can you repeat the question?
Will you show this functionality at your final presentation also? To write multiple user can write.
Sir, it means I am trying to do implement, but now it may or may not be implemented. I can means I can't guarantee about it. I am trying to do it because it needs a lot of research and now the placement is working, and my internship is also there. I am working on it, but I can't guarantee.
Okay, will you have your flow chart of your how means how you proceed in your project means till December till November and till March? You make any flow chart when we complete your
In the presentation, I did not make that flowchart, but I know in but
there is a lot of sound in your background, yeah.
yes sir, because in my house wooden work is going on.
Can you ask, Rishabh, can you ask them to stop working
Yeah,
for 10 minutes only?
for 5 10 minutes, yeah.
Okay. One minute, sir.
Okay, Aman, what is your contribution in the project?
Yes, sir. So, good afternoon to all of you. Sir, my name is Aman Garg, and I'm from the same fourth year science student. Sir, I can continue with the presentation. So, sir,
Continue.
I can define the different volume. Yes. So, different various modules we are using. So, we have let us understand in this way that we are parting the project into uh, modules. The first is front end, and second is back end. And front end part of the online IDE is based on the HTML, JavaScript, and ACE editor. So we are using the more than 10 themes we are introducing in this in our IDE code box, and it supports predefined syntax of code, which is liked by most of the programmers, that they are provided by the predefined structure or snippet, we can say, of their code, so that they can directly write the logic and start their coding. We have the real-time compilation using Ajax. Coming to the second part, backend. The backend of this project is written in Node.js and Socket.io library. Third party, we are using third-party API of HackerEarth. Second, and so in the presentation, we showing you the screenshot of our IDE, which shows the front end part of our IDE. It clearly so the sample screenshot of our IDE is attached with the you can see in the front end part that we are compiling the code, and with the different code languages, C, C++, Python, and Java, and it gives the output in the different code box, and the error code box is also there, and we tested our code box on different error codes, which the code which are giving errors, and we came to find that the work is actually working, and we are getting all the errors. Rishabh, can you mute yourself?
Yes.
Aman, there is a spelling error in your presentation. Please correct it. Sample from, it should be sample from.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, please proceed.
Yeah, it will be done. Positive. Thank you, sir. So yes, the next is the main part, that are references. We are thankful to all the learning material in the internet, and also we are thankful to our to the helpful faculty members of our web development site we are gaining knowledge from. We referred to the books as well, the JavaScript and jQuery by David McFarland, and HTML and CSS also, but not that much, because we are know about that very much. And websites also, mostly we learn we buy we buy a course from Udacity and Code Academy to learn the web development. And that's all for our project. Thank you, sir.
What is your plan to show your project demo? How will you show it?
So code demo. Oh, sorry, project demo.
Can you complete it?
Sir,
What is
means
your plan?
we have to show the sample now.
Now, nahi, in future.
So, sir, this is the only website, and anyone can access. And when we make it, we will send the link, and anyone can see and run and compile the program.
Yeah. I only want to know what is your plan. Means you host your website first.
Sir, first we make the site full. First, we have done with the front end. Means we have made front end, and this is the photo of the front end. Now we are making the back end using the Socket.io, and then when both is complete, after that we will host the site.
Okay. Okay, sir. This is all from my side.
Okay, thank you, Rao sir. Rishabh, what is current status?
So current status is we are doing the front end, but the front end is can be over in 1 year, two days.
Okay.
After that we will start from the backend, and approximate backend takes 15 to 20 days, and it will complete.
Okay, okay. So thank you, Rishabh. Thank you, Aman. Thank you, Rao sir, for joining the
Okay.
session.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, guys. We are ending the meeting. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay.